What's going on, YouTube? I'm out here at the beach in Virginia Beach. This is where I live, so this is my area, but it's gonna be a little bit loud because of the beach, because of the ocean. But anyways, so I've been interested in making a video of the cheapest smart glasses versus the most expensive smart glasses you can buy, and how they compare to the middle ones that we've been using, like X-Real, Rayneo, Vichas, Rokid, Asus, and so on. But anyways, instead of making a versus, I decided, since I'm out here at the beach wearing the glasses already, I might as well give you guys a review or a short video about these glasses right here, which is on my face. I paid about $9 or $10 for these glasses, and it's supposedly a smart glasses. Well, what exactly is smart about these glasses, or what is these glasses about? Well, first of all, is a nice sunshade. So even for a sunshade, $9 or $10 is cheap. It's very cheap. Now, let alone for something that has a microphone and 2 dual speakers. These speakers are spatial open air speakers, just like you would find on any of the other glasses, like the the XR glasses or the Meta glasses. This thing has 2 speakers on each side and a microphone, and obviously it's very light and not heavy at all. But the battery lasts about 8 hours. Obviously I haven't used it for 8 hours, and I'm not going to use it for 8 hours because this is not something that works for me, but it may be something that works for you guys out there. But anyways, there is really nothing else that is smart. It doesn't even have an AI function. All it has is a Bluetooth speaker for spatial audio, and it's a sunshade. That's it. There's nothing else special about it. So that is what you can get as far as cheap smart glasses on Amazon. The next video I'm gonna make within the next few days or week is gonna be the most expensive smart glasses you can buy. In this case, it would be the most expensive AR or XR glasses that you can currently buy, and how it compares to other glasses that I have or tried. But anyways, guys, catch you guys in the next one. This is Virginia Beach. If you haven't visited Virginia Beach, I feel like you should come out here, come to the beach, explore and enjoy. But I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.